In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow camera access on Facebook. So to go about and check if your camera access is on or off on Facebook, what you can do is go through your Facebook and go to the menu at the bottom right, go to your settings and privacy and go to your settings, and then scroll down until you see your device permissions, and you'll see that your camera is not allowed. Now to go about to fix that, you can do it through here and go through the update settings, and you can go to the device settings, and that will take you to the Facebook apps section in your apps. So if I were to back up out of here, you can actually just go to your settings, go all the way down to your apps, and then you can just search to make it a little quicker for you. Go to Facebook and you'll be at that same spot. So to simply allow access to your camera, all you have to do is go to the camera and toggle this on, and that way you'll be able to take photos with Facebook. You'll be able to share photos and upload them from your camera roll. So I hope you found this useful, and we'll see you in the next video.